Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As always, I hope you're keeping well. Just taking a little bit of a breather after doing plenty of jump rope, and soon I'm going to make a tutorial video, so I'm looking forward to doing that. The footage that you just saw there at the beginning was me performing triple unders. And the triple under was a very difficult move for me to learn. I just couldn't get the timing right, the spinning mechanics or the jumping mechanics. Inspiration, or how I learned how to actually do triple unders, the inspiration came after watching the Maasai warriors of Kenya and northern Tanzania jumping. I had seen some documentaries on TV and online, and I saw them performing jumping contests. The Maasai warriors, they love to jump for fun, and they also have contests, and they do it also as like a rite of passage into adulthood. And when I watched them jump, it was incredible just how high they were able to jump. And I noticed that they were using very similar technique that you would use when you're performing a basic 2-foot hop. They were jumping with their 2 feet together, and they were jumping in such a very spring-like fashion, like they had such great hydraulics on the toes and the balls of their feet. So they were using the toes and their balls of the feet just like you would jumping rope, and they were just springing straight up and down. So after seeing that, I kind of watched them in slow motion, and I was watching what they were doing. When they were landing on the ground, they really exploded straight up into the air. So then I started applying that to triple unders, and that's when I started to have success. That's when I actually started to be able to perform one triple under, and then eventually a lot more in a row. So the Maasai warrior, after watching them jump, I really took inspiration from them and I applied it to jump rope. Before that, I was really struggling. As I said, I couldn't get the timing right, I couldn't spin the rope correctly, and once I watched them, how they explode straight up, I applied that to triple unders. And if you're interested in learning triple unders, I do have a video on my channel. I'll provide a link to it right here and down below in the description. All right, I really hope you enjoyed this short little video, and I'll see you again soon, hopefully.